No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Today I'll show you how to build chest, triceps and abs at home in just 10 minutes. Welcome to your full body weight workout. This session is designed for maximum results. Anyone can do this at home. Follow along. We start with the chest. Focus on slow reps, feel your muscles working and don't rush. Form is everything. Prepare for the first set. Keep your breathing steady and your mind focused on the goal. Let's go. First exercise, standard push-ups. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Breathe in on the way down. Exhale as you push up. Control the movement. Stay strong. 10 more seconds of work. Feel the chest muscles engage. Almost through the first set. Rest for 10 seconds. Shake out your arms and get ready for the next move. Breathe deeply. Transition to wide push-ups. This targets the outer chest. Position your hands wider than shoulder width. Stay consistent. Feel the stretch at the bottom and the squeeze at the top. Keep pushing through. Halfway there, maintain your form even as you get tired. You're building strength with every rep. Brief rest. Next we move to incline push-ups. Use a stable chair or the edge of your bed. Hands on the edge. This shifts the focus to your lower chest. Keep your core tight and elbows back. Maintain that straight body line. Don't let your hips sag. You're doing great. Stay in the zone. Last few seconds of incline work. Final push. Keep the tempo steady. Finish it. Rest and recover. One more chest exercise, decline push-ups. Get your feet ready on the chair. Feet elevated. This is for the upper chest and shoulders. Lower your chest towards the floor slowly. Push through the fatigue. This is the peak of the chest workout. Stay strong, don't quit. 5 seconds. Give it everything you have. This is where real progress is made. Done. Moving on to triceps. Keep your elbows tight. This is the secret to real triceps growth and definition. Get ready for bench dips. Find your stable surface and prepare your hands. Let's build those arms. Start with bench dips. Lower yourself slowly and push back up through your palms. Stay close to the chair. Exhale as you push up. Feel the back of your arms working. Control the range of motion. Keep going. Consistency builds results. 10 more seconds of work. Feel the burn. Rest. Next up, diamond push-ups. A tough one but very effective for triceps. Get into position. Hands together. This targets the triceps directly. Lower your chest toward the center of the diamond. It's challenging, but that's where the change happens. If you need to, drop to your knees. Final reps. Don't stop now. Your triceps are getting stronger with every second. Push through. Rest. Shake it out. Next is floor dips. A smaller range of motion but high intensity. Preparation is key. Floor dips now. Keep your elbows pointing straight back. Lift your hips and work those triceps. Short, sharp reps. Keep the tension on the triceps throughout the entire set. Stay focused. Almost there. Keep the rhythm going. Don't let your form slip. 5 more seconds. Rest. Final tricep move, plank to push up. This one requires core stability and arm strength. Get ready. Final tricep move, plank to push up. Transition smoothly from your forearms to your hands. Reps. Keep your core tight. Stay in the fight. Your triceps are on fire, but you can do this. Finished. Final round, abs. Control every movement. Abs are built with focus, not speed. Prepared for the core burn. Lie back and get comfortable. We start with crunches. Let's cut that midsection. Ready? Let's go. Start with crunches. Lift with your abs, not your neck. Squeeze your core at the top of the move. Slow and steady. Feel each contraction. Don't rush the reps. Keep your lower back grounded. Halfway through the crunches, stay focused on the squeeze. Every rep counts toward your goals. Rest. Next, leg raises. Keep your legs straight and lower them slowly. This targets the lower abs. Legs up. Lower them slowly toward the floor. Don't let them touch. Keep your core engaged. If your back arches, don't go as low. Stay in control. Halfway through the set, keep breathing. Last few seconds. Fight the gravity. Control the descent. You've got this. Set complete. Rest. Prepare for the plank. A true test of endurance and core strength. Get into position. Hold the plank. This is a test of your mental strength as much as your core. Stay perfectly still. Keep your body in a straight line. Squeeze your glutes and abs. Deep breaths. Stay in it. Final hold. Don't let those hips sag. Abs you are mountain strong climbers. Bring those knees to your chest. Pick up the pace. Let's go. Drive those knees. Keep your heart rate up and your abs engaged. Fast and powerful reps. Pick it up. Finish the set strong. Only 10 seconds left. Give it everything. Go, go, go. Last 5 seconds. Sprint to the finish. You've got this. And done. Amazing work. It's time for the finisher. 1 round of max reps push-ups and a max hold plank. No holding back now. Push your limits. This is where real growth happens. Break through the wall. You're stronger than you think. Keep going until you can't anymore. Every extra rep is a step closer to